video shows how to connect to Db2 Warehouse within IBM Integrated Analytics Systems from RStudio that comes with the IBM Data Science Experience. IBM Data Science Experience provides all kinds of tools including RStudio for create analytics model. In this video, we will refer IBM Integrated Analytics Systems as IIAS and Data Science Experience as DSX. You can use the IIAS Web Console to access the RStudio in DSS local environment. Only Google Chrome and Firefox browser are currently supported for Access Web Console. Let's use the default user Blue Admin for login. However, you can create your own user account to access IIAS Web Console. The IIS Web Console provides similar capabilities as Db2 Warehouse Web Console, but it also includes more features that allows you to managing the appliance and the database. To access the DSX local environment, click on the hamburger menu on the left top corner of the IIS Web Console. Scroll down and click on the Develop Analytics. The DSX Local is an out-of-box enterprise solution for data scientists and data engineers. It offers several data science tools that are integrated with IIS, for example, RStudio, Spark, Jupyter Notebooks, etc. Alternatively, you can directly access the port 8444 of the Web Console to use the DSX Local. Next, click on the Launch RStudio that allows you to run R script for retrieve data from and write data to Db2 Warehouse. DSX Local on IIS need a separate credential for the Web Console login. You can use your own user ID or admin user to launch the RStudio in DSX. Once logged into DSX, it launches the RStudio and keeps the same source, console, environment, and file panes, just like the standalone RStudio. For first-time usage, you may need to reconfigure the RStudio to ensure that the Java is includes in path environment variable and Java home is set to the location of JDK that comes with the IIS product. Make sure you run reconfiguration process as the admin user. Click on the Tools menu and select the shell that provides a limited access to the RStudio Docker image inside the IIS environment. By default, JDBC drivers will be available at OPT IBM DS driver Java directory within the RStudio Docker image. The RStudio Docker image comes with two JDBC driver, db2jcc.jar and db2jcc4.jar for JDBC 3 and 4 specification. Use the default JDBC driver location and run the rcmd java reconf command to set necessary environment variable automatically. You need to install two R packages to make JDBC connection from RStudio to Db2 Warehouse. This is a one-time operation. The R Java package is a simple R to Java interface that provides a low-level bridge between R and Java. It allows to create objects, call methods, and access fields of Java objects from R. The R JDBC package is an implementation of R's DBI interface using JDBC as a backend. This allows R to connect to any DBMS that has a JDBC driver. In this case, of course, you need to use the Db2 JDBC driver to connect to the Db2 warehouse in IIS environment. Let's return to the RStudio and install the R Java package first. Make sure package installed successfully. Similarly, install the RJDBC package and dependencies. Remember, package installation is one-time operation only. Once installed, R packages will be available in RStudio unless you remove it. Here is an example of R commands to query T1 table in BlueDB database. The R library functions loads RJDBC and attach any add-on packages. Next, load the JDBC driver by invoking the class for name method. In this example, you are using the driver path same as the DB2 JDBC driver available on the RStudio Docker image. In the JDBC connection URL, you provide host address, port number, and the database name. The port number 50,000 is standard for JDBC connection, whereas BlueDB is the database name on Db2 Warehouse where you are connecting. Provide the database username and password for connect to the Db2 Warehouse. The JDBC function initializes the Java VM and load the Db2 JDBC driver. The dbconnect function makes the JDBC connection to the database. Let's set the query string and execute it. In this example, you are running select statement against table name T1. db2inst1 is the schema name here. Lastly, disconnect and close the JDBC connection. Let's return to the RStudio and run the R commands to query the T1 table in BlueDB database. Highlight the whole R commands and execute it by clicking the Run button. The select statement gets executed against the table name T1 in BlueDB and returns the dataset. This is a brief overview of using JDBC connections from RStudio to Db2 Warehouse. Thank you for watching.